Okay, so as you guys know, first of all, today I am no makeup and it's absolutely okay to not have makeup. I just decided to put some lipstick to look a little decent. So yeah, and I put a tab on because my hair is a mess. So yeah, let's ignore that and move right on to the video. Okay, so my first shoe is these shoes, pink. I don't know, rose pink. There's no rose gold anymore. I feel like this is rose pink or whatever, pink. Okay, I love this shoe so much because it's a unique color. At first I wanted to buy the black version of these shoes, but I did not find the black version. When I found the pink, I was like, I'm just gonna buy it just because it's on sale. I'll buy it. But it's actually the best shoe I've ever chosen because I have a lot of black pants and these matches black and green, actually really good. I was so surprised, and it's from Shein. So yeah, I like this shoe. So yeah. Next. Okay, so the next shoe is this shoe. Okay, so these are like really not comfortable heeled. I'll be honest with you. These are the most uncomfortable shoes I have, but I love them because I just wear it in a very unique occasions, and I bought it from my friend's wedding when I was a bridesmaid, and I think I like them. I do. They're very unique. If you see it only has like a, you know, one of the strap is just single, and I just like the color. It's just unique. You can wear it with a lot of clothes just compared to like black shoes. Black shoes, you can match it with everything, but what color is this? Silver shoes, you can wear it with any other clothes too. So yeah, it's a pretty not comfortable shoes, but it's cute to wear. So once in a while you need a silver shoes, girl. So these are my favorite African shoes. These are like my go-to in the summer. I feel like I wear these shoes way too much, but it's because they're so comfortable and very easy to just slip on and leave, and they match a lot of my outfits, mostly dresses and at the same time jeans, and they're so comfortable. So that's what matters to me, comfort. Yeah, that's it. These wedges, guys, these shoes, I've had these shoes for 4 years. They're the most comfortable shoes I've ever had, heels or wedges or whatever you call them, and they're so pretty, and they've not gone out of trend. That is like the most perfect thing. But it's actually, look at that, it just fell apart. But yeah, these are really comfortable shoes that anyone can own, and you can just wear it anytime, especially the people who are not very comfortable with high heels. Next, these are my very cool shoes too. I've had these shoes for so long, I think almost 5 years, but they're really comfortable shoes. I love these shoes. I got these shoes from Shein, I believe, or it's, if not Shein, it's shoetic.com, and it's a very nice comfortable flat shoes. It can match with anything, brings my legs like, oh, I love my legs when I wear these shoes. My feet, not my legs, my feet. But yeah, I do love these shoes. They're very comfortable, so that is my other favorite collection. Another pair of my African collection, I have these shoes that I love so much. I bought it at Maasai Market, I believe, and they're very comfortable. You can wear them anywhere. I just like them. That's about what I can say about this shoe. Yep. Okay, as much as these heels look uncomfortable, they're actually not. They're very comfortable. It's just that I don't like wearing heels, and that's why I don't wear them as often as I should. I don't have time to wear heels. That's actually the best way to put it. But yeah, so these are very comfortable. They're green, very unique. I think I only have 2 or 3 outfits that are green. These are shoes that are always my go-to, and I like going out with them or to church and stuff like that. Now you've seen, I probably have about 4 pairs of high heels. I have to really love a shoe to buy it as high heels. I have these Michael Kors slip-ons. This is one of my designer slip-ons that I have. My boyfriend bought me this, and I thought they were really cool shoes. At first I was like, oh my gosh, they're gonna like be sticky, but it's actually not. It's very comfortable. Like when I say sticky, like whenever you walk and it sticks on your foot, it's actually not that sticky, and it's very comfortable, very light. You can put it on with any kind of cloth, and it's very trendy in the summer. So now. And these shoes I bought at, where did I buy these shoes? Shoetic too. I bought these at Shoetic. I love these shoes. These are like the most trendy shoes I've ever worn. So whenever I wear these shoes, I always have a dress. I don't know if I've ever worn these shoes with jeans pants, but I do like this shoe just because of the detailing. Look at it. I do love these shoes. The lace and the you know, the dropping thingy. What do you call that? The sash? Something like that. But I just like it. It's unique. I like anything that makes my leg look long, even if it's short. I wear a size 7.5, so when anything that makes me look like I have a size 8. Is it weird that I like long legs? But it's just a cool thing to do. So these some of the shoes that make my legs look long and cute and beautiful, and that's what I like. And then these shoes that you probably always see in a lot of my Instagram photos, in a lot of the weddings that I've gone to. I love these shoes. Look at how they look brand new, guys. These shoes are like 3 years old. They literally look brand new. Look at the bottom. It's like it's never been worn, and I've worn it again and again and again and again. Anyway, I love these shoes. They're very comfortable, but not for a long time and not for a long walk. As much as they're wages, you do not want to be walking 10 miles with these. I almost died going to a wedding where we had to walk from the reception from the venue to the from the ceremony place to the reception. That was it was a very long walk that I did. But yeah, I love these shoes. They're semi-comfortable. Oh my gosh, my pink shoes. I don't wear these shoes as often, but they're actually comfortable. If you see a shoe that has this kind of like platform, it's very comfortable because it's not too long, it's not too short. Whenever I'm looking for a shoe, it's very hard for me to find a 2-inch heel, so I always look for like a 4. I don't want a 5-inch. Man, that is so long. So I always look for a 2 or a 3.5 or a 4-inch, because that's like the best shoe I can get. These heels are like one of my favorites, and yeah, they're not for long walks. That's actually like my fad heel. Yeah, it's hard. And these shoes, I like those shoes. These shoes are like for dates and putting on dresses. They're just cute and it's very unique. These are like very unique shoes. I love them. It's probably not that unique to most of you guys, but it's unique to me because I don't wear heels. I don't like heels. I'm not a heel person, but that once in a while when I wear it, very comfortable, but I still do wear it. And I love these shoes. They're pretty cool. These are my favorite shoes. These are so cool. Office wear. Where did I get this? I think I got these as Ross for Less. They're probably for Bergen, and that's why I bought them. I never wear these kind of shoes, but when I got them, I was like, these are so cute. So this shoe is like black. It can go with anything, black, white, whatever, but I just like it, and I don't wear it as often as I should. It actually still looks brand new. If you look at the bottom of it, it literally looks brand new, but it's not. It's about 4 years old or something. The grand finale is coming up because it's my favorite shoe I've ever bought, I think. So this is my most favorite shoe. Like, I don't even know. I don't know. But this is the perfect heel I have been looking for forever. And look at it, burgundy. First of all, okay, so let me tell you a story. I just decided to put some lipstick to look a So I went to the store one morning and I was just buying like shopping and stuff. And I was like, oh my gosh, this shoe is so cute, but I don't have enough money. And so I always use my tips to buy stuff like this. Like if I need a shoe and stuff, I use my tips. So I was like, oh my gosh, I left my tips at home. I'm gonna go get some. And this girl was like, you should reserve it. You should like take it to the counter and tell them, hey, I'm coming back for it, instead of leaving it because we might sell out of it. I was like, oh, it's all right. I'll come back. I'll come back before the end of today. And when I went back, guess what? They told me they were gone. And I was like, no, oh my gosh. And when I went to where I found it, I only saw there was this, and this was the display. And I was like, it has a little scratch, and I think that's why it was a display, if you see that. It has a little scratch. And they were like, oh, okay, yeah, this is the only one left, and you can take it. And I was like, well, did I get a discount? And they were like, yeah, well, you can go ask if you can get a discount. And guess what? I got it for a discount. I think it was about $20-something. And I got it for like $14 or $13. So I thought that was a really good bargain. Probably not, that's not right. I'm not sure, but I think that's what I got it for. And I got it from Target. I don't always buy shoes from Target. I barely buy shoes from Target because they're expensive. So yeah, this is my favorite shoe. I've not worn it yet. I don't even know how to wear it, what to wear it with, but I just had to buy it. It didn't matter what I'm gonna wear it with. I'm so done. I'm all done with, well, I'm gonna do my last collection, which is my boots. not these, but the next series of it, and then I'm done with all my shoes. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe, make sure to click the right button, share this video, and see you soon. All right, bye.